I want us to rethink this eureka moment myth. Growth takes time. Lots of it. We can't just work out on Saturday and expect to look like The Rock on Sunday. I mean, think about it. We'd never ask WWE superstar Dwayne The Rock Johnson, can you tell us about the one push-up that got you into the shape you're in today? We would never do that. We know that physical change is complicated and it takes time. So why do we expect mental and emotional change to happen instantly? We need to embrace the idea that slow, incremental change is sustainable and effective, even if it's not as romantic as we'd like it to be. And speaking of The Rock, we need to rethink this rock bottom mentality. A lot of us are under the impression that we need to hit rock bottom before we start turning our lives around, and that's simply not true. We don't need to wait until January to make a resolution. There is no quota or threshold we have to meet before we can qualify to make real concrete change in our everyday life. In fact, the sooner we start making an effort, the better. And yes, that means we can start today.